Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible sings, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new King born today. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet song that angels sing, listen what they say. That man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flock by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing a song, the music seems to come from afar.